Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, happy 2022. I hope you guys have fabulous New Year, and I hope you guys continue to support me in the new year as well, just like you guys have in the past. But today's video, I want to talk about my Palm Springs mini backpack. And before I actually talk about this bag, I just want to point out that I know that my mic is kind of like sitting funny, and that's because I just don't know how to like put it on properly. Like, I don't know if it's the type of mic that I have, or like, I don't know, it's just weird, but we'll go with that. Hopefully my hair doesn't rub against it and create this background noise. But basically, like I was saying, I want to talk about my Palm Springs mini backpack today. Just kind of give you my first impression of it, do like a mini review of it, and also show you what's in my bag. Now, I recently unboxed this bag last week on my channel. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description box, as well as up here in cards. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. But basically, I recently unboxed this bag, so I have not used it a long time to give like a proper review. I've only been using it since 2 weeks, so it's not going to be like a detailed, or it's gonna be a quick review, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And I also, like I said, want to show you what's in my bag. I really don't carry a lot of things. I think you guys may have known that from my other like what's in my bag videos. I carry like bare minimum things with me. And yeah, the purpose of that is just kind of show you how much this bag really fits, just so that you guys get an idea in case you guys are considering to purchase this baby. So starting off with the first impressions of this bag, first of all, I want to say that you guys know how mine is in the monogram canvas, but this bag also came in the reverse monogram. And I'm saying did is because reverse monogram, to my best knowledge, is being discontinued. It doesn't pop up on the website anymore. And I asked my essay about it. She said that she hasn't seen one come in a really long time. And initially, I think reverse monogram was a little bit more expensive than the monogram version. And then I think it was the last price increase when they made both of them kind of the same price, you know. And I went with the monogram because I feel like reverse monogram was just a little bit more difficult to match with other things. Like, I feel like this one is easily matchable with a lot of outfits, whereas reverse monogram would be harder. And I've always been a fan of reverse monogram. I feel like it stands out a lot, and that's why, if you guys know, I got my Pochette Metis in the reverse monogram, because I liked how it stood out a little bit more than the classic monogram one. But I feel like with this bag, it stands out, like the reverse monogram canvas stands out just a little bit too much, you know. I feel like it overpowers the outfit, or I don't know, it's just weird. But I think I think monogram in this particular bag is just a better choice, in my opinion. If you guys like reverse monogram, then by all means you can still perhaps try and get it. But that is basically why I went with monogram. And for this particular bag, I think mentioned several times in the past that you have to pay attention to the alignment of this little handle at the top. So see how this one is right in the middle here. It's positioned right in the middle. If you get this bag and if it's positioned towards the back here, that means it is made in the USA. And if it's in the middle, just like mine, it's made in, I guess, everywhere else, like France, Spain, or Italy. So my bag is made in France. And for this particular bag, I was hoping and I was searching to get made in France bag, because I wanted my handle to be in the middle. Honestly, I feel like either way, the handles are fine, but I feel like aesthetically, if the handles are in the middle, it just looks nicer. And I feel like when you are carrying the bag like this, it's just better balanced, you know. If it's at the back, I don't know, I feel like just having it in the middle is just a little bit more balanced. But I'll bring up the bag up close so you guys can see the alignment of it. So here's the monogram canvas. It's beautiful. And then here is the alignment that you should pay attention to. So mine is really good. The little tabs over here on the side, like the black ones, are also nice. You can see that this little tab is also nicely aligned with the monogram flower here. Here is the side of it. You can see that it's not perfectly aligned over here, but it's okay, I guess. And then here we have padded back. You can see that the alignment is also nicely done. This is the other side. And then here you can see that the alignment is not as good as this one, but in all of my, all the Palm Springs minis that I have seen, I have never seen like the sides match up, you know? So if you are looking for Palm Springs mini, I think it's totally normal. It's totally okay not to have sides aligned, because I honestly have not really seen any with the sides aligned. And then here we have the bottom, and I think bottom is pretty nicely aligned as well. There we go. So that's basically the bag in the nutshell. It does come with 2 straps because, as you know, it is like a backpack. So I have one strap over here and the other one is over here. And the reason I don't have this one attached is because I have mainly been using this bag as a crossbody. I feel like I just really love the look of this bag when it's worn crossbody. And the back of this bag is so nice and padded, so it just kind of sits close to the body and lays really flat, so it's very, very comfortable. I just wish that the straps were a little bit thicker, but then again, if they were a little bit thicker, then it wouldn't look very feminine and cute, you know, like how it is supposed to look like right now. So I guess I'm fine with that. This bag also has a little front pocket. I'm sure you guys must have noticed, and the pocket itself is not too small, but the opening to get into the pocket is very tiny. I mean, I was always surprised when I watched so many videos about this bag and where people said, you know, this pocket is just, you just can't use it. It's just really hard to use. And I didn't believe them, but now that I have the bag, I think I totally believe them. Like the pocket looks really cute. Aesthetically, it's pleasing. It just looks really cute there, but it's just not functional according to me. So it does have nice and shiny gold zipper. I really, really like it. And one of the things I want to mention about zipper is that it's not flimsy, but I feel like it looks very, very delicate. Like when I'm trying to unzip it and zip it, I feel like I'm gonna just pull it and break the zipper. But obviously it's not gonna break and it's not gonna come off because I'm sure it's very sturdy. Or is it? We'll find out. But just kind of like food for thought, you know, just initial impression that the zipper is nice, gold and shiny, but I feel like I'm gonna break it, you know. And interior, I'm going to quickly show you. I do have my stuff in it because I want to do kind of what fits in it and how I carry this bag. But the interior of the bag is black, and although it's nice that it's dark and it's not going to get dirty, I feel like just because it's black, even if it gets dirty, it'll be easily noticeable. I've only had this bag since 2 weeks, and I already have like a little bit of makeup in there, so I'll show you guys when I kind of empty it out. But for now, let's quickly show you what I carry in this bag. Oh, and before I show you that, I forgot to point out how this bag has 4 D-rings in the back. So 2 at the top over here, and then we have got 2 on the sides over here. So that's how you can turn it into a backpack. I've only straps attached on the top 2 because I'm using it as a crossbody bag. So I'll just remove the strap just so that it's easier to talk about the bag and just hold it. So the first thing I have is my sunglasses. The next thing I have is my Kate Spade card holder. I did get a Louis Vuitton card holder, so heads up for unboxing that is going to be coming up. But now that I have like dark contents out of the bag, I think you guys can see easily how much I am stuffing in the bag. I have even put things in like the little slip pocket at the back. but that's what it looks like. Next thing I have is my key clay. You guys know I really love this. So I think you guys have seen it many times. I just have hair ties and bobby pins and just like some backup stuff in there. Next thing I have is a pack of gum. And then I also have makeup. This is a Clinique makeup. So when I say makeup, it's like a powder. So it's a powder makeup. Next thing I have is little Tylenol. And then I also have this hand cream. I think you guys have seen this tons of times too. And then I have two lipsticks on here. So I have two Maybelline lipsticks on there. There we go. So I'm a big fan of Maybelline lipsticks. I don't know if there is anybody else, but when it comes to drugstore brands, I love Maybelline. This is the one that I'm using right now. I really like these two. This is my go-to. If I don't know what to put on, then basically I just go with this one and it matches everything. I just really love it. So we are coming to an end. You can see like there's barely anything left in there. But next up I have my wallet, and this is by far my most used and most loved wallet. I've used this like over 2 years. You know, I've really used it. It's coming close to like 10 years. But basically that's what it looks like. It fans out, and I'm not gonna zoom in because I have all of my cards and everything on there. So just for safety reasons, I'm not gonna zoom in. But basically this is my zippy coin purse. I have few videos about this on my channel too. I have one more video about this that is going to be coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. But love this wallet. Next up, I have some loose cash because, you know, I just do that sometimes. I also have this SPF lip balm because I am big on sun protection. And I also have a coupon. This is Biore coupon that I need to use. So here is the bag now, very empty. And now we only have something in the last slip pocket there. So I'll just quickly show you what I have in there. I have this oil absorbing sheets and a comb, but I think both of these things you guys must have seen it many times because I love these oil absorbing sheets. I keep using them. I mean, one runs out and then I get another one. So these are very handy. They work great. And then I think you guys have seen this one too. This one I really like. I'm looking for another one, but I really like how it's so small and it just slips into any pocket. Like, I mean, any bag, any slip pocket in the bag. So it works really well. But yeah, here is the bag. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a little tag in the back there where it says it's made in France, and there's a little slip pocket here. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have a little bit of dirt. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's makeup or something. I suspect it's makeup, but I have a little bit of dirt in the back where the slip pocket is. But yeah, I think that's all. So I mean, this bag really does fit a whole lot than what I put in it. It does fit quite a bit, but the only thing is you may have to stack up your things. So that's the only thing basically. But otherwise, it does fit quite a bit. I really do love this bag. Like I said, it does lay flat against the body. So that's the plus. I'm hoping that I don't break this little zipper tab, but otherwise it's a really good bag. I really do love it. It took me a long time to get my hands on this bag. It's just getting harder and harder to find this bag. So if you're looking for this one, don't lose hope. Try to contact your SA. I think that is your best bet at this point. I think once in a while they do allow, it does pop up on the website, although I have not seen it pop up on the website in a really long time. But otherwise, I really love this bag so far. I think I'm enjoying using it, and I just love how you can wear it in so many different ways. I will insert some mod shots here for you guys. These are same mod shots that I took last week when I did the unboxing video. So they're the same mod shots, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and it'll kind of give you an idea of how this bag looks on me. I am 5'5" for height reference. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I don't think there's anything else that I wanted to talk about it. Like I said, I really love this bag. I think I've said it many times, but this bag is really good, and I think I can totally understand what the hype is about when it comes to this bag. It's very easy to use. It's carefree. It's got treated leather, no vachetta. It's cute. It's got this little thing over here which helps it to stay straight when you have it sitting on, like, not the floor, but like on the table or something. And it just looks really nice. It looks super cute. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. That would really help my channel. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Definitely stay tuned for mod shots, and I hope you guys have good rest of the day. Bye.